So check out the Drumeo Thomas Pridgeon video. It's a really cool video. And in that, he says that drums or playing drum set is mostly made up of singles and doubles. And I've heard him say that. I've heard other drummers say that. Todd Sucherman talks about that. And when I first heard that, I wasn't completely sure what that meant. I mean, it's simple enough to understand, but I thought, well, what about triples? You know, the people are playing on ride cymbal and there's triples there, which is true. But like what he said is that most of drumming is singles and doubles. So let's just dive into that a little deeper today. So what if we had like just an eighth note rock groove? Let's break that down. Singles on the hi-hat, singles on the snare, singles on the kick. How about a 16th note rock groove? Same thing, it's still just singles, whether you're playing two hands or one hand on the hi-hat. It's just singles. Okay, well, what about something like this? There, we're actually mixing singles and doubles on the hi-hat. The kick's playing singles, but the hi-hat is a mixture of singles and doubles. You can also play grooves where you use doubles on the feet, right? You use that foot and put a double into the groove. So we do use triples, triple strokes, right? But it's just not as frequent. You use triples on the hi-hat. Use triples on the ride. Just doesn't show up as often. So the takeaway here is make sure you have solid doubles, you have solid singles on your hands and on your feet, that you're playing them with good technique, that they sound good, that you're not going to hurt yourself, and that you're really putting the time and effort into developing that first before moving on to a lot of other crazy stuff, right? Would be my recommendation. All the other crazy stuff is great, but make sure you've got that solid foundation because it's going to show up most of the time. So my Better Hands course over at tempoleague.com is all about walking you through improving your hands. There's a Better Feet course as well to improve your feet if you need help there, and would love to see you over there. Just start a free trial and see if it's for you. Thanks so much for checking this out. I sure hope you have a great week. Happy drumming.